Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about N-Acetyl Cysteine or NAC. NAC is derived from amino acid L-cysteine. Consuming adequate amount of cysteine and N-Acetyl Cysteine is critical for our health. NAC is used by body to build antioxidant. One of the body's most important antioxidant is glutathione. NAC has shown to improve the level of glutathione. It helps to replenish the glutathione in our body and improves the absorption of glutathione into the cell, thus improving body's ability to fight aging and inflammatory processes. NAC has also shown to improve the respiratory health. It is used to improve the symptoms of respiratory conditions like cough, flu, bronchitis, COPD due to its expectorant property. Expectorant is basically loosening of mucus in airways, and also its antioxidant property which helps lowers the airway inflammation. So overall improves your respiratory health. NAC helps improve your overall liver health because it improves the glutathione level, and glutathione has been used as a liver detox for a long time. NAC is used in ER to treat Tylenol overdose. In athletes, NAC also improves the recovery process post-workout and post-HIIT type of intense workout by improving your overall antioxidant level. NAC also limits the inflammatory damage to the lung when athletes are exercising in the cold weather. So NAC is not just good supplement for athletes but also for your overall wellness. Subscribe for more videos and give us thumbs up.